Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing Kali Linux on your Mac using UTM, a powerful virtualization app. Kali Linux is a popular distribution for penetration testing and ethical hacking, and running it on your Mac opens up a world of possibilities. So, let's dive in. First things first, head over to the UTM website and download UTM Universal Type Machine. It's a free app that allows you to run virtual machines on your Mac. Wait for the download to finish, then install the app on your Mac. Open UTM and click on Browse UTM Gallery. To create a new virtual machine, choose Kali Linux or any of these systems you want. Wait for the download to finish and then click play. But I'm going to cancel this download because I already have it and to keep the video short. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux on your Mac using UTM. Now, you have a powerful environment for cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Feel free to customize Kali Linux according to your style and preferences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.